Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY for you guys, and I'm going to show you how I take these items and turn them into these. Okay, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go down there and see everything I got and where I got them from. And you know what? If you're not subscribed, don't forget to press that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video to share with you. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with this tall vase here. And we're going to put some mirrored sheets just going along the bottom, and we'll be using some E6000. We got a problem, we can work it out. 'Cause I've been searching high and low for someone like you. 'Cause you can't just love anyone. I've been searching high and low. I'm so glad I found you. I gotta keep you near, right here with me. Now we'll be adding some silver bling wrap going along the bottom also with the hot glue. Okay, now I added some painter's tape to cover up the bottom because we're going to be using this crushed glass with some Mod Podge to deck out our vase. Yes, so we're protecting the bottom piece with the painter's tape so the crushed glass doesn't get onto our bottom decor. So we're just going to spread the Mod Podge everywhere and then pour the crushed glass over it. When I finish applying the first layer of crushed glass, I'm going to let it dry for about 15 minutes and then add some more Mod Podge and do a second coat of the crushed glass. And now we have this small round vase here, and we're going to do the same thing again. Apply the Mod Podge, and then we're going to add our crushed glass, and same thing again for one coat. Let it dry 15 minutes and then add a second coat of crushed glass with the Mod Podge. I've been searching high and low. I'm so glad I found you. I gotta keep you near, right here with me. Yeah. 'Cause every little thing we do makes love go on. Now we're gonna take these little forks here that we have from the Dollar Tree and bling them out with our gems. And now we're going to add some bling gems to our candle holder. Makes love go on and on. And every little thing you say makes me want to stay another day. And we're going to be adding these gems to the top part of our candle holder. And now it's time to add our two pieces together, which I'll be using some hot glue. You can use whatever adhesive you would like to use. I'm just using some hot glue to hold them together. And now we are going to take our bling forks that we blinged out, yes, and add them to our candle holder. Using some hot glue, you can use any kind of adhesive that you would like to use. I'm using the hot glue. And same thing again, we're going to be putting our next candle holder together using some hot glue again, which you can use any adhesive, like I always say, that you would like to glue your two items together. And once again, we'll be using our blinged out forks and placing it around our candle holder. Here's our finished look, everyone. I think they turned out very nice. I absolutely love working with crushed glass. Adding the crushed glass, I think, gives your project just a beautiful look. And I like how these candle holders turned out. Like I always say, get items from the dollar store, put them together, and you have some lovely home decor for your home. And I like this one here. It looks very nice. And it could be a candle holder, and you know it could be used as a serving dish also. Not only a candle holder, you can use it to serve candies or any little treats that you'd like to put in it. And here we go with our items with flowers in the tall vase, tea light candle over here in this candle holder, and in the round candle holder I have some LED lights. Yes, I think they look very nice. Yeah, I think they look very nice. They look glam and nice. A nice piece of glam decor for your home to refresh for the spring. Yes, I think they look lovely. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of these designs that I did today, these DIYs, and tell me which one was your favorite. I like them all. I think they all turned out very nice. Like I said, I love working with the crushed glass. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIYs that I did today. I really appreciate the time that you took to click on my video and spend a little time with me. Alright, and remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone. I've been searching high and low. I'm so glad I found